Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching. In this tutorial you're going to learn how to say sorry in Standard German and in Austrian German. I'd like to show you 3 ways to say sorry, and some of them are typically Austrian. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to say sorry in Standard German as well as in Austrian German. First of all, Entschuldigung is the most common way to say sorry in Standard German. In Austria you will also come across this word very often. With Austrian accent it may sound like Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. A formal and polite way to say sorry is Verzeihung. Sometimes you might hear the phrase Verzeihn's mir bitte in Austria. It's a little bit like I beg your pardon. A third option to say sorry in Standard German is Es tut mir leid. Austrians use this phrase again and again, but there is a difference between the western and the eastern parts of Austria. In the west, people tend to say Es tut mir leid. In the east, Austrians rather say Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. Summing up, we can find 3 different ways to say sorry in Austrian German. Entschuldigung, Verzeihn's, Es tut mir leid, Es tut mir leid. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Now you've learned how to say sorry in Austrian German. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial.